Hi, welcome to WP Chief. Before we start, make sure you have a current backup of your website. If you want to learn how to do that, click on the link in the description below. With that out of the way, here's how to install themes in WordPress. First, go to Appearance and click on Themes. Next, click on Add New Theme. To upload your theme as a zip file, click on Upload Theme. Click on Browse. Pick the zip file for the WordPress theme you want to install and click Open. Then click on Install Now. The installer will upload and run the theme installation process. Then you can pick to either have a live preview, activate the theme, or to go to the Themes page. On the Themes page you will then see the uploaded theme available for you to use. To install a free theme from the WordPress theme catalog, first click on Add New Theme like before. On the right, you can then look for the theme name. I like using WordPress, so I put that into the text field and click Enter. The theme you search for should show up. Hover over the theme and click Install. The system then installs the theme. Once done, you can click on Activate or get a live preview. Like with the uploaded theme, when you go to the Themes page you will then see the newly installed theme there. And this is it. The main two ways to install WordPress themes. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and check out our other videos.